How to get 100% attendance in your requirements workshop. I trust you must have got a little puzzled how one can ensure 100%. If not 100%, at least we will try to make near 100% attendance in our requirements workshop. My name is Ellen Mishra. I work as principal consultant and trainer with Adaptive US, one of IIBA's premier EEP and a leading business analysis training organization. I am a practicing BA for close to 25 years and I have worked with more than 50 clients in many different projects in many different continents. When it comes to requirements workshops, this is one of my most personal favorite technique to get requirements. There are a lot of advantages with a workshop. If you observe, it's one of the best technique to get large number of requirements in a very short time. Two, it's probably the best technique to get consensus among stakeholders. The advantage that we have with workshop is all our stakeholders, or especially all our key stakeholders, are in a single location, and that's a big plus that we have. But at the same time, there are obviously many challenges that we BAs face when gathering requirements through requirements workshops. One, there is inevitable schedule conflicts when trying to get a schedule from 10 or 12 different stakeholders. It's very natural because stakeholders have their own day job, they have their own priorities, and asking all of them to come together for a workshop always remains a huge challenge. So, how do we overcome these challenges? One of the great technique I learned from a client by the name Sky Television is what Sky TV did. They made their workshops periodic events. So the workshops are scheduled, say for example, every second Thursday, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And this really helped them a lot because everybody knows that this is the time slot during which the workshops will be conducted, and hence stakeholders are requested to keep these slots free for workshops. Then the second one, this is from my own personal experience. I used to be a consultant in PricewaterhouseCoopers pretty long back, and I was part of a large change management project. And we used to have fortnightly meetings with our stakeholders to review progress. And the attendance was very low. So I went to my partner in PwC and requested him, can I have some snacks organized for these review workshops? So he said, how much money would you spend? I said about $200 to $250 in a month. He said, that's fine. That's kind of acceptable within the project budget, no issues. And hence, I organized some amount of snacks for the participants. And to my wonder, the attendance ran full. So imagine people are always interested in eating. So if your requirements workshop comes with food, trust me, you will have fabulous attendance. Okay. Then one more technique we can always apply, and this is something that we must do. If we perceive certain stakeholders to contribute significantly to the workshop, we must meet them one on one prior to the workshop and get their commitment to the workshop. So if you have met key stakeholders one on one prior to the workshop, there is very high possibility that they would actually come prepared to the workshop and they will contribute to the workshop. Thank you for watching this short video on requirements workshop technique and how to make your requirements workshop more effective. I would be coming back with many such videos over the period of time as part of Learn BA with Ellen series. And do write to us. My mail ID is ellen@adaptiveus.com, or you can also write to our company ID, which is info@adaptiveus.com.